Wow, this will be treacherous for אלון. לעמוד, לעמוד, לא ברקס, לא ברקס. אלון, נו באמת. Why am I awake at 6:33 Saturday morning? Oh, I think there is a good reason for this. אני לא מאמין. לא הבאתי עלים ירוקים, אבי. רגע. Ooh, unbelievable, unbelievable. What a surprise. Well, you know who's riding in front? It's Avi. Well, it's been a while since we were off-roading together. So it's Avi, Alon, Tom and me. And it's for now quite nice and cool, but it's gonna change because it is summer, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, eating some dust. Wow, dust for breakfast is tasty enough if it's with your friends. Oh, this is looking good. Well, last time I was here with Alon, it was during winter with all the mud puddles here. Well, we have a flat stretch, fueling up and heading north. Take it easy today. It's gonna be a nice ride up to Ramot Menashe. Well, it's a bit cloudy and I hope it stays like this because I prefer it to stay, I wouldn't say cold, but nice and cool. Wow, these thorns. Well, every time it's the same. Such a beautiful sight. Wow. Heading to the paved section. Wow, this is fun here. Well, one man down. I don't know if it's Avi or אלון. רגע, למה לבד? למה לבד? זה נקרא לבד. Disturbing the cows grazing here. Just take it easy so they won't bump into us. Oh, I missed you. Hello. Wow. Gate number 1. Well, what's going on back there? קרה משהו? Look at this guy. He was just above us. Some low altitude flying. כן. This was a situation where Alon almost lost control. His rear tire was offside of the front one. The good thing is that we have Avi here with us, which is experience and knowledge, and he was instructing him. So I opened the kettle gate here. So we're going to ride into the forest here, mini forest, for a break. Oh, I like this section here before we enter this mini forest here. Oh, he's back again, above us. Maybe he'll land and join our coffee break. Well, it's going to be coffee break really soon now. I think we need to catch up with each other. Wait a second, let's see. You know, we did not ride together for a long time, so we really took our time here. I think around an hour of just talking and sharing our adventures and daily life. Now I'm looking for the turn down here somewhere. Where is it? Now it's just a bit more and then to the left. Well, down it is. Nice and slow. Just let it roll. Well, I'll ride all the way down and then turn back to see. Wow, this will be treacherous for Alon. Well, I did it correct this time. I will have to pause and see everyone is okay. It's gonna be tricky. Need to stop and stall it. I need to stop because this is gonna be tricky. I'm sure it is. Because it's a bit rocky. What's with Tom? Unbelievable. The difference between riding and walking. I'm not built for walking. No hiking. I'm spoiled. רגע, חכה. מה קרה? מה קרה?
הידים פה, הידים הולכים. אבל היא תפנה בפיתול כזה. ניסינו לקפץ כלפי מעלה.
יש לך אבן קטנה? עוד. זהו. לעמוד. לא ברקס. לא, נו באמת. איזה גלגול שהוא מקוצים. תגיד לי, 3, 4. רגע, אני אתפוס מקום. 3, 4. יופי. לא זורם, לעמוד. לא ברקס, בלי ברקס. ישר. You know what? He did what I told him to do. I said, stand up, let it roll. No rear brake, no front brake, nothing. Let it roll. The moment you touch the brake, you lose traction here. Look, he did it. Tom, how was it? Amazing. I'm all boiling at my boiling point. Well, we have to wait up for Afi. Hoppa. Well, here it's easy peasy. This is flatland. But this is the best school you can have. Even more than these courses, riding courses off-road. Look on the left side. Which stream is it here? It's not Saflul. Well, you can see the vegetation always in the middle of the valley here, down at the lowest point, which looks more lush. The burnt out tank. That's an easy day uphill here. Let's wait up for them here. So it won't be Saflul uphill for today. This is definitely too much. So we're gonna ride along Saflul stream here. I think it's Saflul stream. We won't push our luck. Ooh. Let's see how it's here. Well, it's all overgrown. As I say, these tracks are official trails, but not marked ones, just white trails. And if you have no 4x4s here or pickup trucks, it's usually overgrown. This is a dry water crossing. Just need to stand up. Oh, a bit more adventure. I hope I picked the right lane because it's climbing up, but I think it's moderate here. Much more like it. Beautiful scenery, really beautiful. Well, the moment you're on the move, it's okay. If it's a bit windy. Now let's see. Take it easy here. Oh. Well, I hope Alon manages as well. It's a bit slippery. You can see how it was here during winter. Wow, that's it. We're out of the bush. Oh, almost flipped it. And I guess I will get stuck there as well. Lost my confidence for a second. Tough. Well, once again, a treacherous downhill, a bit tricky. אחריו, מעולה. יא, בוא'נה, אלוף אתה. גלגל, גלגל. גלגל. Let it roll. Perfect. Well, from here it's out back home. Wow, look how green it is. Perfect. What another downhill we had. Ooh, creased up here. בסדר, בסדר. יאללה, החוצה. In the flatland, it's better now. Just need to find my way out and reach the white trail, which is somewhere here. You know, these are new trails for me. Unbelievable. Look at the Sabar here, Sabres. Wow, beautiful spot. This is a beautiful spot. Yes, and by the dirt you can see we're not the first one to admire it. Oh, הנה. איזה יופי. Well, this is adventure. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is sheer adventure. This was perfect. Well, this tractor has Mitas tires. Oh. Mitas tires for everyone. Now, this is a kibbutz Dalia. Well, this coffee cart here is well known here. A great spot. Back on the white trail. I think it's enough for today. It's nice and windy, but it's warm in the sun. Well, this is for now my last off-road ride here at home. Soon enough I'm on an adventure to Asia. Where to? You will have to wait and see, but I can promise you it's going to be interesting. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, stay tuned, go out and ride and enjoy yourself. Oh. And it's bye-bye for now. Oh, what a pleasant ride.